Somebody told me in a dream that I look weaker when I cry. My mother used to tell me things I know I wasn't supposed to know. What's that got to do with me? How the fuck do I let go? It falls from God without a rope. Cold and choke around my throat. How the fuck do I let go? She says, don't you love me? And if not, then why? She reminds me of mom. Oh, she looks so pretty when she cries. Got hazel pearls instead of eyes. Oh, I know. Take a breath, baby steps. No, I wanna take this step. Find a way to love. Find a way to live with all your sins. Oh, fight on. All eyes on you. It falls from God without a rope. Cold and choke around my throat. How the fuck do I let go? 2, 4, 7, 8, watch me levitate. Words don't hurt, chauffeur won't make a lane switch, won't make a major fake conversation. Yellow snakes in my bed, put them in the basement. It don't make sense, but it makes me sense. And it makes my rents go. I'm so proud, lose time, choose out. It don't have no end, so how the fuck do I let go?